Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I am going to share my trash with you. That's right, we're digging through my garbage. And when I'm sharing my trash with you, I usually do a mini review, and today is going to be no different. We are going to talk trash and give mini reviews. So let's get going. I have quite a few things that I have finished up. With everything that's going on in the world, I had made a promise to myself that I was going to really focus on just finishing things up, really getting that stash of mine just, I want to make it smaller. With age, I want less. I just want less, my friends. Less is more. So let's go ahead and get started with my trash. First is the Primal Fuel Vanilla Coconut Whey Protein Drink Mix. Someone asked me if this was lactose free. It is not. It does have whey in it. So I think there is lactose in here. It does not say anywhere that it is lactose free. It has no artificial fillers, preservatives, or artificial ingredients. It's an complete amino acid profile, and it does have coconut milk proteins, 4 grams of it per serving, for creamy satisfaction. And I'm telling you, this satisfies me. I love this. I get the chocolate and the vanilla, but I wanted to also mention that I'm doing a lot more smoothies on my Instagram TV, so you must follow me on Instagram, because I do a video once a week now on Instagram. It's just so much easier, and on Instagram, people seem to really love watching them. When I put it on my YouTube, nobody watches them, but on Instagram, everybody's watching, my friends. So if you want to know how I incorporate this into my smoothies or my smoothie bowls, make sure you follow me on Instagram. All right, next up, you've heard me talk about this hair mask. It is in the top 5. I may go as far to say is my #1 hair mask. And that is the Klein Rothschild Quench and Shine Restorative Mask. This is my favorite hair mask, and also my favorite Klein Rothschild product. Love, love, love this. Next up, another love product, another love affair. I absolutely adore the Bay Harbor Beauty Jojoba Bead Honey Foaming Scrub in Eucalyptus Mint. Now I know she has many other fragrances or flavors that are popular. The Mimosa, and I think I read a comment she had put under her Instagram to someone else. Peony maybe is a very popular, but I have the Mimosa and the Eucalyptus Mint. The Eucalyptus Mint to me it's perfection. It's perfection, my friend, as is this scrub. I haven't finished it. I'm going to share it. I love her body cream. Oh, it is spectacular. So again, absolutely love the Bay Harbor Beauty. I do have a code. It is not an affiliate code. We love Tammy will get you 10% off your Bay Harbor Beauty. She is on Etsy. Go visit her shop. Her body products, she has skincare. They are phenomenal, my friends. Love them. Next up, this was actually recommended to me from Dirty Boy Gets Clean, I think. Yeah, Dirty Boy Gets Clean. This mask, I think it's pronounced BISOUS. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. This is a hair mask. It's the honey-infused hair mask. And I'm going to tell you, the first time I used this, I thought, oh no, I don't like this. Weighs my hair down. Do not like it. Well, I was using way too much of it. Way too much of it. This is a very thick, creamy mask. It has a very pretty smell. Both masks are highly fragranced, but I don't find them obnoxious. This is beautiful, my friends. And I will say, when I blow dry my hair after using either of these masks, I really don't have to curl my hair. It really just gives beautiful shine. It doesn't weigh the hair down. Like I said, I overused this the first time, and it made my hair really straight. It just weighed it down, and for me, having long hair and being a little bit older, I don't want it poker straight. I need a little bit of, bounce to it. But this mask here is beautiful. Now, I know somebody will say, well, which one do you like better? The Klein Rothschild is my #1 hair mask. This may be #2 or 3. I'm going to order another bottle of this. Neither one of them are cheap. I think this one's even more expensive than the Klein. But with Klein, I have a code, which I'll put under the video, and you can use it to get a % off. This one, no discounts. Next up, now this product I didn't really want to like because it's a little pricey. So are the masks, but a mask, they do different things for me. But now, Frizz products, I'm like, they don't usually work for me. But here in Florida, I really had to find some products that would help me out. This one here is from Kerastase, and it is their complete anti-frizz care. It works, my friend. It worked for me. I really like this, but the trick is you can't use too much of it or it gets, I don't know, I don't like the way my hair feels with it. But what I do is I just spray on the top layer that really needs the defrizzing, and it really did work. So I have a nice little combination I'm using now that is really, it's working on me for my frizz. So this one here, I didn't want to love it because of the price, but I guess I'm going to have to get another one. I'm going to try a couple of others that I have in my stash. If not, if they don't work as well as this, I will end up buying this one again. The next product I've talked about, I've done videos about. If you have nasty feet, I do not know what you're waiting for. Lova Skin Instant Foot Peeling Spray. The best foot product I have ever used for dry, crusty feet. I have feet that, I'm sure some model agency is going to pick me up soon, friends. Soon. If you have dry, crusty, calloused feet, you want this. It comes with this and a file. I did a video. I'll link the video below. I'll put the link for this below. Go check it out, see if it's something that might work for you. Now, this I'm very disappointed in. Target stopped selling the feminine wash that I like, that I've been talking about forever. And at Target, I paid $8.99 for it. I had to buy it. I found it at Ulta, and they are charging $15 for it. The V, you know what I'm talking about. Well, I decided I would try another one that Target sold, and it's the Queen V. It's okay, my friends. It's lacking something, but it is still good for the private area because, as I've mentioned before, with menopause, things happen to the skin. And irritation sets in, itching, all kinds of stuff can happen. So you should not be using bar soap or your perfume soaps down there. You need a pH balanced vaginal wash. And this one here, excellent. I also talked about this in my favorites. I went and got another bottle of it. I absolutely love it. The Flamingo Shave Cream. This is shave gel. I get this at Target. I really like this. It feels like I get a closer shave. My leg's not as dehydrated after I use it. And I'm getting better shaves in regard to no nicks. I like that. All right. All right, another, this one here I really love. I bought this years and years ago, and the formula always broke, and then they reformulated it, and I finally saw it at Ulta again, and I bought it, and I like it. I already bought another one, and it is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Cleanser. This is a very moisturizing cleanser. It doesn't strip the skin. I love this one, and I love my Sanita's Milk and Honey. But this one here, I put the tube in the shower, and I'll just, do a quick wash on my face. I don't usually use this for makeup removal or anything like that. This is just my in the shower cleanser, and I really love it. Another thing that I really love that I've bought many jars of, and I already have another one, and this is the Kiehl's Butter Mask. Absolutely love this. I find it is the best for moisturizing my lips. I had no problem with I've had no problems with my lips using this. I do a little scrub and then just put this on at night, and it is wonderful. I find it to be the best lip mask for night. It's just fabulous. I absolutely love it. I finished up a Revitalash primer and mascara. I still use this, still love it. The primer on the Revitalash is a beautiful royal blue. I don't know if you can see that, but I really loved it, and the mascara is very nice. I'm using the Revitalash serum again. My lashes are starting to grow, but they're white, okay? Louis, we have one for Louis, the Shiseido Benefiance. He's been using this for years. He finished this tube up. I used to love this, but I can't use it anymore. It's too drying for me, but it's perfect for Lou. Let's see what else I have here. This is the Maylove Supreme Shave Cream. I didn't really like this. I did, and then I realized this is really gunking up the razor, and it's just, it gives a nice shave, and it feels good on the skin, but I don't like what it does to my razor, so I wouldn't get it again for that reason. I finished up another volumizing primer for the Revitalash. I finished up a Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal mascara, really like that. I finished up, this is one of my favorite Revlon foundations, it's the Revlon Candid Glow. I love this. They have a Candid Regular and a Candid Glow. For my aging skin, this is really nice. I have 3 tubes of it because it's hard to find. Now this here is something that's weird. Lou actually gave this to me. I get a lot of vertigo and motion sickness, and he gave this to me a long time ago. A nurse actually gave it to him for me, and it's called Queeze Ease. I don't even know if it's made anymore, but it's really nice because if you get a little nauseous, you just pull it apart, and then you just inhale, and it really helps with nausea. So if you're pregnant, you might want to look into the Queezies because this is really, really nice. All right, so I finished up, and I use this in my smoothies. I've been taking tart cherry for many, many years. I used to take it in a liquid form, but there's too much sugar in that, so now I take it in the powder form. This just helps me sleep. It also helps, I think, it helps the aches in my legs. It's not the cure for it, but I really do think it makes a difference with my sleeping when I use this versus when I don't. Some supplements I finished up. This is the Quinol Turmeric, 1,500 milligrams. You know, I keep trying and trying and trying with turmeric, and I just don't see any difference in my inflammation. I just really don't. I've been taking it for so long, and there comes a point when you have to say, okay, I got to cut that out because I'm taking 1,000 pills at night now, and I can't even fit my food in my belly anymore. So I'm not sure if I start to feel like the joint ache and the inflammation is really intensifying, I may put this back into my diet, but right now I'm not sure. I also take a grapeseed resveratrol because I don't drink wine. I just like to get the resveratrol. It's very good for you. It promotes heart health, and you just have to take 1 a day, and it's not a real big monster of a pill. And then B12 I take because I'm not a meat eater, so I need B12, and this is one you slip under the tongue, and it's 2,500 mcgs, and it's just it says it aids in the conversion of food into energy. And these quickly dissolve. They taste like cherry. And that's it for my empties this month. Let me know in the comments what you finished up this month. I love hearing from you all. I would love to have you as an Ageless Beauty. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And right next to it is a bell that will notify you of all the videos that I'm putting up. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world, be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, lovable. I love you all, my friends. Bisous.